friends, today I am going to show you a science experiment which you can try at home. The name of our science experiment is smoke waterfall experiment. To do this experiment you will need a glass filled with water, a fork, a candle, a matchbox and a paper tape. So first we will take our paper tape and then we will cut two equal parts of our paper tape. Like this, and then we will take both parts and then we will join them with each other. I will put this part on the top of this part so they both will stick. So friends, in this lockdown condition I am not having broad paper tape. I am having this much thin paper tape, so I am doing like this. If you have broad paper tape, then you will only take you will be not joining these two paper tapes. You will only take this much, one big piece, and then you will roll it. So I have rolled these pieces and like this, and then I have prepared this stick before. So now I will take my candle and I will light it with my matchbox. So friends, you can see that I have light my candle. Now we will take our fork and we will fit our paper tape like this in the middle of our fork. Then we will take our glass filled with water and with the help of our candle we will burn this part of our paper roll. Like this. So friends, it will consume some time, and now it has started smoke, and the smoke is coming from this part of our candle, and it is like a waterfall. Like this. This effect is very satisfying and we enjoy to see this smoke like waterfall to see. So friends, you also try this experiment at your home. It is very interesting experiment. And you can see now so much smoke is coming from the end of our paper roll. and our glass is filled with smoke. Friends, the smoke is lighter than water, therefore it floats on water. So friends, this was my experiment. I hope that you liked this video. If you liked my video, then give me a like. Share this channel to your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel so you will get notified when I will upload my new videos. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.